How to fix unable to share printer on a network. With the error display 0x0000011b. To fix this, go to the computer who shared a printer on a network. Beside the Start menu, in the search box type Registry Editor. Then right-click and run as administrator. Click HKEY Local Machine. System. Current control set. Control. Print. Right-click. New. Click DWORD, 32-bit, value. Then rename to RPC Authn Level Privacy Enabled. Right-click, and click Modify. In the value data put 0. Then OK. Again, in the search box, type Services. Then click. Look for the print spooler. Click. Beside, click Restart. Now, let's go to the client computer and connect it again. Successfully connected. Now, we will do sample print. If this video helped you, please subscribe this channel for more update of my upcoming video.